Yo, what up? This is Christian from the ArchiTech channel, and I just wanted to let you know that you can reverse image search items in the 3D warehouse by clicking this image box right here. And all you have to do is scour the internet. And if you want a blue sofa, then you're in luck, my friend, because I just downloaded a blue sofa, and I'm going to be dragging and dropping that into the image search box. So one thing to bear in mind is that this is the 3D warehouse, so keep your expectations low because these are some messy models sometimes, and you might not find a perfect fit, but obviously it is better to start from somewhere than to start from scratch in my opinion. And as evil as this sofa looks, I think this is the closest model we actually have here. And in my opinion, it's actually easier to edit textures than actual models because you don't know how messy they are in the end. So what I'm going to do here is actually color drop this, and it seems to be right here. And I'm going to click edit texture image because it seems to all be the same exact texture. Since we're in luck, and I'm going to go back into SketchUp, and I'm going to find a fabric. That blue is actually pretty close, honestly. So I'm going to add this to our model. Click, oh my gosh, I'm falling off here, but I'm going to hit edit texture as well there. And I'm simply going to swap those textures. Hit save, and as soon as I go back into SketchUp, voila. If you didn't know that's how it works, then that's how it works. You get 2 tips in 1 video. Can I get 2 subscribes and 2 comments below? Holy crap, I'm balling today. But it honestly doesn't look too shabby. For 10 seconds of modeling, I can stretch it out a bit. Maybe 1.12, and it doesn't even look stretched out. Fellas, did I cook or nah? Let me hear your thoughts below, but otherwise I just wanted to show you this quick SketchUp tip. Obviously subscribe, like, all of that jazz, share to your friends, share to your professors. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.